Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hi, my name is Unapologetically Mocha, and on this channel we talk about crochet, other life things, and other crafts. If it's crochet or a craft of any sort, it's my jam. So today we are going to review some mystery boxes from Darn Good Yarn. They had 4 different ones, so I think they had 4 or 5. Anyway, I got 4 of them. So we are going to open this up, and we're going to check out what's in them. Like I said, I got 4 boxes, and they are different color boxes. So I got a blue. And these are all crochet and knitting boxes. I got a pink. I got a teal. And I got a purple. So we are going to see what is in those boxes. I'm going to make sure I got everything out of the bag. And just some info. Invoice. Okay. Let's move these so you can see me as I open. I'm gonna start with the purple one. And like I said, these are the crochet and knitting boxes. And I think they were $15 a piece. Something like that. But let's see what's in the purple one. Oh, more of this orange and purple yarn. I have a lot of this. I have so much of this. It's silk roving worsted weight yarn, and the colorway is Festive Cheer. Let me grab my cheaters, because y'all know I can't read fine print without cheaters. Okay, let's see. As I said, it's a worsted weight. There's 75 yards. It calls for a 5.5 to a 6.5 millimeter hook. And it's silk roving. And that's all it says. And there are 2 hanks. Or 2 balls, I guess I should say. And of course, you get the little thing that tells you all about the yarn, and there's probably a pattern in here, I'm going to guess. That's the knit pattern. The crochet pattern is... The knit pattern was, hand warmers. Fingerless gloves, I should say. Stitch. Trying to find a pattern for crochet. Oh, it's also fingerless gloves. So, that's what's in the purple box. 2 more hanks of Festive Cheer yarn. It's really nice yarn. It's just in a very interesting colorway. So I guess that, I don't know, I'll figure something to do with it. I'll match it with something else. Here's the Teal Box. Those of you that get the Darn Good Yarn boxes, what do you do with your boxes? I normally use them as tripods. Matter of fact, my camera is sitting on several of them right now. Okay, now and this one has, Darn Good Fancy Twist Silk Yarn. Very, very pretty, bright colors. like I said, it's silk. This is a bulky 5. It calls for anywhere from a 6.5 to a 9mm hook, and there's 50 yards, and there's 2 of them. And the pattern for this yarn is a bag. A party bobble clutch. I'm not sure the pattern, but that's what it is. So, one of my favorite parts is usually how the yarn smells, but this just smells. It smells clean. Like it doesn't have like a scent. It just smells clean. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, and I guess I should tell you that. Let me see. Usually it says what this retails for. Yeah, one of these retails for $16 for one of these balls. So the fact that I got 2 of them and I paid $15 for the box is a good deal. And the other one I know for a fact retails for $16 too. So I now have $64 worth of yarn, and I have $30 in. So not bad. I'm ahead of the game. Here's the pink box. Yeah, this one smells good. And this is lace weight silk yarn in the Sparkle Autumnal Equinox colorway. And those of y'all know me know that I am not a fan of lace weights, so I will be looking for another lace weight to match this with. And I actually have several hanks of this, so if I find another lace weight to combine with it, I could probably make something pretty nice, because I have enough of these to make something. Like I said, this is 0, so it's a lace weight. There's 300 yards, and it calls for a 2.25mm hook. Yes, I'm rolling my eyes at that, because y'all know how I feel about anything under a DK weight yarn. But this is pretty. And even with the sparkle in it, it's so relatively soft. So, I will find something to do with it. And stitch markers, because you can never have too many stitch markers. And the suggested pattern for this is a wildflower cowl. Oh, and let me see, what does this retail for? This retails for $17. So, even though there's only one of those, I'm still roughly $2 up on this box. So, not going to complain. And here's the last one. The blue box. And this is Darn Good Twist Sport Weight Silk Yarn. Colorway is Crisp Morning Air. Okay, so it's better than a lace weight, but still thinner than what I normally work with, so I will be finding something to combine this with to hold 2 strands together. Again, it's a 2. There's 150 yards, and it calls for a 3.5 to a 4.5mm hook, and its retail price is $17. And again, there's 2 of those. So it's 300 yards total. And the suggested crochet pattern is a cloud slouch beanie, which is actually kind of cute. You see that? That's cute. And it says it only calls for 1 of these cakes. So, I don't know. We'll see. I might be able to suffer through 1 cake of sport weight to make that beanie. We'll find out. And that concludes all the boxes. Not bad. I'm not jumping for joy over in a lot of these yarns. Some of them, yeah, 2 of them I already have. Like the orange one and the Roving I have several balls of. And I've got at least 4 other hanks of that lace weight that I showed you. And I've got similar colors of the other 2. So, I think if I had gotten only 1 box, I might not have been that thrilled with this haul. But when you consider that all of these were at least $16 per ball, and I got, what, 2, 4, 6, 7 total for, I don't think I paid $15 for these boxes. I don't think I paid $60 for all 4 of them. But anyway, I came out ahead, either way. And I'll find something to do with the yarn. I mean, it's yarn. You always find something to do with it. So, I will consider this a successful haul. Not my favorite haul in the world. Not even my favorite haul from Darn Good Yarn. But, it's a good haul nonetheless. And I will find something to do with this. Some of it may end up in a giveaway. You'll never know. Or I may create something interesting with me. You never know. But that was my darn good I can't even talk. My darn good yarn mystery box haul. And that's really all I have to say. If you've never crocheted with Darn Good yarn, you should try it because it's nice yarn. It's not cheap yarn. It crochets well. It has good stiff definition. I'll probably upload some swatches to my Instagram, and I'm unapologetically milk on Instagram in case you don't know. Or I may do a follow-up yarn review where I crochet with some different yarns so that you can get a feel on what, like difference between, like, say, an acrylic, a cotton, and a silk blend. But that's for a video down the line. But for now, there you have it. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. It's not an enthusiastic thumbs up, but it's a thumbs up nonetheless because it was a good value. So, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video and you made it this far, go ahead and dislike it and give it a thumbs down. It won't hurt my feelings. At this point, if you've watched this far, a view's a view, so thanks. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll know the next time I upload a video. Also, remember, I go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and we talk things, crochet, craft, life. We have a fun time, so you should join us. And with that, I'm going to go. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.